In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Freshdesk. If you're cleaning up duplicates, removing test data, or a customer has moved on, deleting a contact keeps your help desk tidy. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions in your account. Deleting a contact removes their profile, and related items may be affected based on your team's settings, so double check before proceeding. Start by logging into Freshdesk. Open your browser, head to the Freshdesk login page, enter your account credentials and click Login. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace if your organization uses more than one, so you don't accidentally change data in the wrong place. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Contacts. This is where every person in your customer database is listed. If you have a large list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the contact by name or email, and review the company field to confirm you have the right person. Next, open the contact by clicking on their name. This takes you to the contact's profile page where you can see their details and related activity. Pause here and verify again that this is the exact record you intend to remove. It's a good idea to glance over their last interaction date and any important notes so you don't delete someone who's still active. When you're sure, look toward the top of the page and click Delete. Depending on your account layout, this may appear as a button or under a More Actions menu, but it will be clearly labeled. Freshdesk will then ask you to confirm. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Read the message carefully, as this is the point where the action becomes final. Click to confirm and the contact will be removed from your account. To be certain it worked, you can run the same search again and verify that the contact no longer appears. That's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Freshdesk. If you're cleaning data in bulk, repeat these steps for each record and use filters to work more efficiently. If you're dealing with duplicates or unwanted messages, consider merging or marking as spam instead of deleting. Thanks for watching.